Hi, this is Kelsy from PhantomSpot, and I just wanted to go over the week of December 11th to December 15th with the spy phantom prints that came through and discuss kind of just what we saw coming through the tape and how price respected these. And as always, none of this is financial advice. This is just a review of what I've seen and my thoughts connected with these spy phantom prints. So the week commenced in close proximity to a print at 460.89, and this was filled on Monday. I mentioned the probability of the 461.28 print right here filling on Monday or Tuesday because it was a recurring print and it came on the tape on June 12th, July 12th, August 14th, September 12th, October 12th, and November 13th. It was filled on Monday, and then on Monday evening, the next prints we were looking at were at 462.57, so right here, 464.11, and then 464.20. The 462.57 print initially appeared on the PhantomSpot on July 17th, and this recurred on the 17th days of August, September, October, and November. The 464.11 print hit the PhantomSpot on July 10th, and this repeated on August 9th, September 11th, November 9th, and on Monday evening. The 464.20 print made its PhantomSpot debut on July 3rd, and this repeated on August 3rd, September 5th, November 3rd, and December 4th. So on Monday evening, I mentioned that because October was the missing month of these 464.11 and 464.20 prints pattern, that they might fill soon because that was the first trading day after the 10th. The 10th fell on the weekend. And this prediction did come true on Tuesday as the 462.57, 464.11, and 464.20 prints were filled. And then let's go to Wednesday. That was FOMC day, and by that day, the 464.97 and 465.15 prints were filled, and these were filled in pre-market. And also in that pre-market session, there were two prints at 465.75, and some brokers did show a wick up to that level, even though TradingView did not. So this situation mirrored when I mentioned watching for like regular bodies of the candles to trade to that level. And just before the announcement, price was supported by the 464.11 and 464.20 prints. And then the 15-minute trend turned bullish. And then that 465.75 print area, that was filled. And then above that, there was a huge gap to the 468.25 print, and price filled that gap, and then it gave you a lot extra if you just were riding the wave up. So that was really a good move. And then this evening, Wednesday evening, there was a print at 473.38, and this print triggered a wick up to this level. And I mentioned that although it was considered filled, I'd continue monitoring that level for regular bodies of candles to trade to it. And that happened the next morning, on Thursday morning, and this area acted as resistance. And there were new prints in the 474 area, but price kind of surpassed this 473.38 level. And then on Friday, price came down to the 468.25 level from before. That acted as support. And then something really cool happened. This was highly, highly unusual, and I couldn't emphasize this enough on my emails. So over 20 million shares in SPY Phantom prints came through, and their range was 467.39 to 467.43. And the rough math on this equates this to over $10 billion in value. And this market scenario was exceptionally uncommon as numerous high volume phantom prints occurred. And I usually say it is rare to get a print for over 100K in volume. And we had a whole page full of these prints, up to 20 million shares. And this could have been attributed to various factors, like it was the last quad witching of 2023, tax loss harvesting, we have had a significant price surge, and there was that very important Federal Reserve announcement this week on the FOMC day on Wednesday. But either way, I heard from a lot of you about this and your thoughts, and this did spark a lot of discussion. This is a very key level that I will be watching moving forward. And we didn't talk about this red line. This was a canceled Phantom print at 474.71, and the volume was 564K, so this was huge. And when that happened, I don't know if you guys remember, but on the daily candle that day, it did print a wick up to that level, and then it was removed when the print was canceled. This was something I have been saying could be the ultimate magnet, and it was really cool because I started out the week saying, like, I'll remind you guys if we get up there, this could be the ultimate magnet, and we got within range of it, very, very close. So this would definitely be a key level, in my opinion, moving forward to the upside. And then to the downside, you have these 20 million prints at that 467 area. So it was really interesting. If you want to join the discussion with us, you can visit PhantomSpot.com for more information. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at Kelsy@PhantomSpot.com. Hope you guys have a great day.